This is the film for Asia Biochem. This is the factory. Pulling up here right now.
This is a byproduct storage house.
Okay. Yeah, it's huge.
Products will go out using ship, using trucks, and using rail. Rail, most of the time, they're pushing the rail car thing, during the evening, loading the line.
Here's some warehouses. And there's the main factory. Operation is absolutely huge. There's corn all around the factory for hundreds of miles, and a lot of it's supplying this factory. Here is a picture of the entire factory. On the upper left, you have a water treatment plant. In the center of this, you have the actual factory. There's two sections of the actual factory on the left and the right side. You'll see they're identical. The front is the main offices, followed by the dormitories for the workers. And you can see the several blue top buildings are the warehouses. Here's the control room for the Daqing plant of Asia Biochem. See the controls on the computer screen. The dryers. See, they're pretty huge. This warehouse is huge.